Today I'm out in Smyrna, Tennessee, which is not my normal area. And the reason why I'm out here is because somebody found me on social media and requested that I come out to their house. The reason was somebody else, another contractor, told this guy that he needed a brand new irrigation system, that the one that he had couldn't be fixed. This guy owns an HVAC company and knows that things can be repaired. So he searched around for somebody that could repair a system. He found me. We called Nashville Irrigation and requested that I come out to his house, take a look at his system, and offer him a quote on repairing the system, not replacing the system. He then went on to tell me a story about how he went and found all of his valves. You're not going to believe what he used to go look for his valves. Maybe you will, but I'll let him explain it. Everybody, meet Josh.
Hello, everyone.
The homeowner that owns an HVAC company that believes replacing the irrigation system is just a stupid idea because he knows you can fix one. Like I told you, he went and found all of his own valves. What'd you use to find all of your own valves?
I use the Tempo 521 right here.
Just to show you guys that I didn't just hand him my Tempo 521. Here's mine. There's his. He went out and got his own, and he found all of his own valves. What else did you use to find those valves?
Good old shovel and a poker, because everything had been neglected for at least 10 years, if not longer. Probably closer, honestly, to 15 to 20. So everything was covered with grass.
I mentioned that you own an HVAC company.
Yes,
what's the name of that company?
Home Energy Professionals.
Home Energy Professionals. If you're in the Smyrna area, give this guy a call. He obviously likes to fix things and not replace them, which is always more expensive.
That's right.
So I turned off the camera and I had to ask him, you just went out and spent several $100s on a locator just to search for your own valves?
No, I can use it for our mechanical applications. We can hook it up to a trace wire on an underground gas line and locate our own gas line.
That's awesome. He did buy it for work. He used it at his house because it doesn't just trace irrigation lines. It traces any wire underground. Just make sure that wire doesn't have energy on it. Josh and I just wrapped up walking his entire system. We adjusted a few sprinkler heads. I even showed Josh how to adjust the 5004 so he can adjust his own sprinkler heads. I made some suggestions as to what we can do with some of his sprinkler zones, like this one behind me. They're all spray heads with adjustable nozzles. The pressure is terrible. There's also far too many heads on the zone, so he's going to install MP rotator nozzles with lower flow to give it a little bit more pressure. That should do the trick. If it doesn't, we can come up with plan B. In addition to that, he wants us to install a master valve for him. We're going to do that for him as well. Now Josh has the information he needs to make some adjustments to his own system if he needs to. He's got a proposal from me so that I can make some adjustments for him. The guy went out and taught himself how to use that locator so that he can not only find his own valves, so that he can use that locator in his own line of work to locate gas lines. I think that's amazing.